Have you been suspended or banned by Redbubble? Whether you just start your account or you have your account for a while. In this video, I'm gonna discuss three main things: reasons, solution, and how to avoid suspension on Redbubble. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Three main reasons could make your account be suspended by Redbubble. First of all, infringing. If you are infringing on other people's trademarks or copyrights, you are more likely to be suspended by Redbubble. For example, if you are uploading content or a sentence which already trademarked, or you are uploading a picture of famous artist or a famous actor, you are more likely to be suspended by Redbubble. Second, non-English speaking countries. If you are from non-English speaking countries, you are more likely to be banned as a result of not being a country that speak English. And the third one, you can be suspended by Redbubble spam filter, which may be automatic and it doesn't mean that you make something wrong, but at the end you have to contact them to return back your account. Now I'm gonna show you three main steps. If you do them, you will have higher chance to return back your account. First, you have to contact them through support@redbubble.com. But before you do that, try to check your emails to make sure that any of your designs haven't have taken down before. Second, log a request. To submit a request, you have to go to your account, scroll down to the end until you find Contact Us. Press there, and after that, press the red button here, Contact Support Now. After that, scroll down, submit a request. Great. And then choose I'm an artist and I have a question. And then just choose other. And here you write your email address, and of course it's going to be the address that is connected to Redbubble account. Here you will use your Redbubble username, don't forget. The subject you will write maybe why is my account suspended or account suspension. Description, in the description section is so important that you give as much information as possible, okay? And if you have any proof, you can just upload a photo from here, add files. After that, you're gonna press submit. They may not reply from the first time, so you should try 3 or 4 times, but you have to leave 4 days in between. And now, let's go to the third step. So, the third step is to use Twitter. Now, go to your Twitter account. On your Twitter homepage, just write @Redbubble and also @Redbubble help, and then write your message. Okay? After that, you can also do another step that you can send Redbubble help a direct message. If you don't know how to do that, just copy @Redbubble help and put there in the search section. Press enter. And here we go. This is Redbubble help. Press here and then you can send them a direct message from here. You can send your message here. Now, we're reaching our third and final section of our video, which will teach you how to avoid being suspended by Redbubble. First of all, use trademark checkers to double check your designs and your keywords. I'm gonna have a whole new video about copyrights, trademarks, and fair use on Redbubble, so please stay tuned. Second, don't copy other people's designs or steal them, because they may report you and you get banned. Just get ideas or inspiration only. Third, you have to know that the maximum uploads per day is 60 designs. And if you have 2 or 3 accounts on Redbubble, so together you shouldn't do a lot of designs more than 60 uploads. Next, for non-English speaking countries, it's better if you use VPN so you lower your chance to be banned. Next, don't upload too much if you just started on Redbubble, because if you just start, you may be caught by the Redbubble spam filter. So try to stick to 1 or 2 designs per day, and after that you can just increase. And the last thing, try always to check your spelling error and your grammar mistakes. In the end of my video, I want you to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write me a comment down below and tell me what's the next video you would like to see. Till then, thank you so much and see you. Bye bye.